Going on, guys? Luis here with TechnoFan PTY. As you guys can see, I have here the iPhone 6 and the Samsung Galaxy S5, and this is going to be a comparison between these two super good looking Draco cases on the iPhone 6 and the S5. Let's go ahead and start. Alright friends, and welcome to this video. Again, this is the Samsung Galaxy S5 and the iPhone 6, both with Draco metal bumper cases. And let me show you guys first side by side what we have here. Let's start first with the iPhone. The actual phone is actually the gold color, and the case matches the phone. Here on the side we have silver, and then on top and on the bottom of the case we have black rubber to absorb more the impacts in case you drop the phone. We get a little bit of protection on the back of the phone, and also some protection on the screen. And as far as the ports, right here on this side we get access to the volume rocker, the mute button right there. We get some branding right there created by Draco Designs. This case takes two screws. One goes right there, the other one goes right here. And as you guys can see, we get access to all the ports at the bottom: audio jack, USB port, speaker grill. On this other side we get access to the power button, and also we get some branding here, Ducati. So let's look at the Draco on the S5. This is the black case with the silver on the sides, and we also get a little protection for the screen. Now, because of the camera on the back of the S5, the camera it's really protected. There is a little bit of a lip here on the sides, but it's not gonna be protecting the camera. So let's look at the ports. Here on top we see the audio jack, IR blaster. Here's one of the screws. On this side we see the volume rocker, and the volume rocker in this case actually has some pattern. Kind of gives you more grip here with the volume rocker. Down here we see the access to the other screw. Right here at the bottom we see access to the USB port and a microphone right there. And going to this side we see access to the power button. Looking at the back of the case, as you guys can see, plenty of access there for the USB port. We get the Draco branding here. And there's also some branding here created by Draco Design. Let me tell you about the price on these cases. These cases, well, they are both original Dracos. The difference here is the price, and of course the design, because these are for two different phones. This is a Draco Supernova for the S5, and this is a Draco Ducati for the iPhone 6. Now, the original price on this case here for the S5, I think it was like $99 locally in the US. The price for the Ducati case on the iPhone 6, it's also around $99. However, I was able to find this case on AliExpress.com. It's a Chinese wholesaler, and believe it or not, the price on this case, guys, was just $13 with free international shipping. Just to show you guys a quick here, I have all the package. They included all these. I mean, everything is original. How they can sell it for $13, I don't know how. But they also sell this case well, this case here for the S5 on AliExpress website for $13. So I kind of regret that I paid over $60 for this one here in the US. So anyways guys, this was a quick comparison here. The S5 is of course a little bit taller, but as far as the look on both, you can tell that you know, they are both from the same family, Draco cases. One thing to mention here on the iPhone 6 case, because of the camera position, I don't know if you guys can see or not, it looks like the camera is going to be protected with this lip here on the back, as well as this lip right here. Let me show you guys a quick here before we end this video, the responsiveness here for the power and volume rocker. And let's start with the S5. So really easy to operate and access the power button. Same thing here with the volume rocker. Very responsive. And here's the iPhone 6. I'm going to start with the volume rocker. So as you guys can see, no issue at all. I believe the material that they use for the volume and the power button are it's a rubber or plastic versus the metal that we see on the Supernova case. And here's the access to the power. And last, side by side here guys, kind of have the same design right there on the corners where the screw is. These are super good looking cases. Very thin profile. So guys, I want to thank you for watching this video. Subscribe for more. Again, this is the Draco Ducati and the Draco Supernova for the S5 and the iPhone 6. I'm going to include in the description, guys, the name of the website. Again, it's AliExpress. You can find both of these cases for like $13 with free international shipping. One more thing to mention, in case I'm sure you guys are going to have that question. As far as the signal loss, I don't have this phone activated right now. I was using this case for like 3 months. No issues whatsoever with the signal. And as you guys can see, there is 2 bars right now of signal. This is a Spring Network with the iPhone. So thank you guys, and we'll see you in the next video.